Alright, language explorers. So let's have a look at today's word of the day. Menace. 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 So like this. Menace. Menace. So something to cause harm or annoying. Ugh. Or something annoying. She is a menace to society. Those insects are menaces. Yeah. Yeah. He is a menace with them. Always annoying. Annoying with them. She thinks that I am a menace. I like being a menace and annoying her. Yeah. Yeah. Oh. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. It is such a menace because it just makes things more difficult. Just make things more difficult. Yeah, how cool is that? They used to be a big menace, but not anymore. They used to be a big menace, but not anymore. Things have changed. How cool is that? That is why he was a menace. He used to say and do silly things. So he was a menace. He is turning into a menace. Yeah, all that crazy stuff that he does is strange. Why is he a menace? She thinks he is a menace to them because he always does strange things. Yeah. When will they be considered a menace? Now, because that happens a lot, it is a menace. There is a menace out there waiting to strike. Strike. Yeah. Yeah, like a danger or harm. Yeah. But menace. Yeah. Something to cause harm or annoyance. Ugh. Yeah, or a threat. Yeah, something out there or a threat of sorts. A threat or a danger. Yeah. I like being a menace. Menace to her by annoying her. Annoying, yeah. 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 Oh, yeah. By being silly. Yeah. Annoying. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? But can you use menace in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me by searching English with Adrian on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram, as well as by searching for Adrian Nanchev on Udemy. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.